Harper.
That's right. Both leaders were at that leaders' drink session last night when, this is from the Canadian, the spokesman for the Canadian Prime Minister, Stephen Harper, Vladimir Putin, walked over to Stephen Harper, hand outstretched. Stephen Harper said in return, well, Vladimir, yes, I guess I'll have to shake your hand, but, and these were the words Stephen Harper used directly, Russia has to get out of Ukraine. To which Vladimir Putin told Stephen Harper, and this is according to the Canadians, well, Stephen Harper, Russia would get out of Ukraine if Russia was in Ukraine in the first place. And see, this is what Western leaders are dealing with here, despite all of the evidence that Russia is directly behind those pro-Russian separatists, supplying them, arming them, financing them. So in terms of some form of rapprochement with Vladimir Putin on Ukraine, that could be some time yet.
We've also seen the issue of climate change, Michael, pushing towards the centre of this economic grouping. Of course, this meeting taking place in Paris next year to seal a new climate agreement. It wasn't really expected that at this meeting it would be raised as much as it has.
No, it wasn't. It was always going to be but a line or maybe a paragraph in the final communique. We knew that much because it was there in the draft communique, which was the subject of many weeks, months' work by the representatives of the various world leaders ahead of this G20 summit. It's going to be interesting now to see just what the wording is and whether there's more wording in the first place in the final communique when it comes to climate change and how tough the language is, because there has been a lot of pressure placed on Tony Abbott as the host leader